In this video, we're going to do a limit as x approaches negative infinity of a lovely cube root function. So we're going to explore our limit properties while doing this type of problem. The first thing to remember is that a lot of your limit rules still work even as you approach infinity. So the first one we can use is the one that says if your function is to a power, in this case the cube root, you can bring that power and place it on the limit. Doing so, we've now taken the limit of a rational function. Recall the trick for taking the limit as x goes to infinity of rational function is dividing all the terms by the highest power of x. In this case, looking at the numerator and denominator, that highest power would be x cubed. So I'm going to divide every term, all four of them, by x cubed. Doing so, cleaning this up, we get the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 plus 8 over x cubed over 8, because the x cubes cancel, plus 1 over x cubed. Great. So recall, as x goes to either plus or minus infinity, f of x, which equals 1 over x, heads towards 0. So in English, after dividing by the highest power of x within a rational function, anything that still has a denominator with an x, assuming of course that you've cleaned up already, that's going to head towards 0. This guy is going to go to 0. This guy is going to go to 0. These are constants, so they just go to themselves. Now don't forget that we have this cube root outside. The numerator is going to go to 1. The denominator is going to go to 8. What's the cube root of 1/8? 1/2.